Okay, y'all, so, sorry I sound like this. I just woke up. It's 6 in the morning, so, yeah. Um, Sorry I wasn't awake when this came out, but this is fan art. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce the YouTube name. Maddie's not great at English, so yeah, but I will leave a link in the description to their YouTube channel. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. So go subscribe to them. And this looks amazing. Like, I don't know what else to say. I don't know when I'm gonna be able to put it on my wall because I have to clean the rat cage this afternoon. But I will try to do it tomorrow. I just don't know when I'll have time. Why am I doing that so much? No one knows. Okay. Bye.